Hi guys, today we're making paper boats, but it's already done. My auntie made it.
Yeah,
Say
and
hi.
I put oil on
Say
the water
hi.
so it doesn't
Say
get so.
hi.
Hi.
This is Auntie Tita Chabel. He made the paper.
O, lagay mo na. Okay, go.
Don't go.
Lagay mo siya dun sa may oil para hindi siya agad mag... Yan, go.
Wow.
Yan.
No.
Yun, lagay mo sa may oil. Yan. Para hindi siya agad magsisink. Yan.
Wow.
There you go. We put it on top of the oil. Yan.
I put it on top.
Hindi, wag na sa may oil. Wag na sa may oil. Wag na sa may oil. Yan. Go. Go, go, go. Yan. Tapos, so guys, we put toothpaste
Oh my goodness.
before we
It's
put
not
on the
gonna be
water.
wet. It's not gonna be
It's gonna move fast.
What?
You look. Try it. Okay, wait lang. Okay, go.
It's not fast.
Oh, it's not fast. Ayun. Oh, see? It's trying to move.
Just kidding. Oh no, this one's melting.
Ayan. Okay. Guys, I need to go now. I'm gonna pick up your grandma.